Irrespective of your physical condition or your age, gardening can provide you with excellent physical exercises, and if you want to get away from the usual or not so usual daily stresses, spending some time in the garden can definitely help out. However, gardening also comes with some activities such as kneeling, stooping, or bending over, and a variety of other repetitive movements that can be harmful to your joint, to your bones, and to your muscles. Example, when you're kneeling, you can get knee-related problems. When you're bending over, your back can start to ache. And today we're checking out some of the best products for gardening on all of Amazon. This is a great raised garden planter with 2 wheels, so it's really convenient and portable, and it's gonna look good in any space. You can use it indoor or outdoor, as it's going to hold up for a really long time. I really like the metal. It has an anti-rust paint on the outside, which kind of holds up against wood, which gets to rot over time. You can water your plants without having to worry, as it has drainage holes. This is a great choice, and you know that you're gonna be able to enjoy for years and years to come. The planter is ergonomically designed, and I love the fact that it is raised, which means it's gonna take so much pressure off your neck and off your back, and you wouldn't have to bend over. This makes it totally convenient and pain-free. Another advantage it has is that it's easy to move around and place wherever you want. You can move to direct sunlight, or move to shady places, or even inside your house. The cart is really easy to put together, as all you're gonna need is a screwdriver and maybe a wrench. The rest all comes in a package: bolts, nuts, and screws, etc. Some people will ask, what can you use this for? What can you use this raised planter for? Well, you can use it to plant your herbs, your vegetable fruits, etc. This is a good deal, which you're probably not gonna regret. So what are you waiting for? Go get yours now. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Ciao.